Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you need a better way to set up jigs for woodworking or for welding, then you've got to check out these MagJigs. So this is a super cool product, and this is a set of 4. Now what these are a magnetic jig that you can use in woodworking or metalwork, anything where you need to hold something in place. This is awesome. So the way it works is you have a rotating magnet inside, and it is super strong. So each of these little guys has about 95 pounds of strength, and I have a set of 4 here, so you can place these at different places along your project and add to the strength of it. So they're very simple to use, and you can see that they are really strong and they hold things in place super well. All you have to do is place it onto the metal surface and then twist the dial on top, and that is it. So this really opens up a lot more possibilities as to holding your project in place and just making it a lot easier to work with. So this is such an upgrade to our workshop, and I think you're gonna love it too. And that's my point of view.